Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish for Dummies. So today we're going to learn about the Spanish verbs, so let's go ahead. Alright, in Spanish, unlike in English, we have three different types of verbs that are AR ending, ER ending, and IR ending. So they can end with either this AR, ER, IR, and nothing else, right? While in English, it could end with anything. So that's something different about Spanish. So let's see some of the examples. We have cook. Cook in Spanish is cocinar, cocinar, cocinar. Dance. Dance is bailar, bailar. Sing. Cantar, cantar. Clean. Limpiar, limpiar. Now, these are the AR verbs. See, they all are ending with AR, right? Now we have ER verbs. So we have eat. Eat is comer, comer. Drink. Beber, beber. Read. Leer, leer. Learn. Aprender, aprender. Now we have IR ending verbs. That's receive, recibir, recibir. Go out, salir, salir. Write, escribir, escribir. Live, vivir, vivir. Alright, so you can notice something, right? They all are like, they're ending with AR, ER, and IR. So that's it. Spanish verb ends with only this termination and nothing else. Let's move forward. Alright, now here we're going to learn some of the most common verbs that you're going to come across all the time. So let's learn it beforehand. It's going to be a lot useful. We have speak. Speak, we say hablar, hablar, hablar. Think, pensar, pensar. Listen, escuchar, escuchar, escuchar. Work, trabajar, trabajar. It's trabajar because J is pronounced as ka. Alright? So trabajar. Take or carry. We say llevar, llevar. The sound is Y, yeah, because it's double L. Double L is, it has sound of Y. Llevar. Okay, llevar. Now it's get up or come down. That's bajar, bajar. Now it's get up, come down. It's like, you know, coming, get up from the vehicle or come down from the stairs. We use in that terms this word. That's bajar. This verb, bajar. Okay, do. Very important one. Hacer, hacer. Okay, hacer. Very important verb. Return. That's volver, volver, volver. See, ver, ver. Understand, entender, entender. Bring, traer, traer. Put, poner, poner. Now we have some other verbs. That's say. We say decir, decir, decir. Feel. That's sentir, sentir. Sleep, dormir, dormir. Ask, pedir, pedir. Alright. Follow, seguir, seguir. Go up. That's subir, subir. It's like to you use this verb in terms like, you know, going up the stairs or getting inside the car. Okay, so even say get inside the car. Sube, you know, sube, subete. It's like that, you can use it. Alright, so now we're going to learn about the golden verbs. These are the verbs that are used all the time. I mean, each time you speak, you're going to use one of them. So let's read them. First, we have ser. Ser, ser means be in Spanish. And estar, next is estar, it's also be. So one is permanent be and one is temporary be. Alright, so ser and estar are something like different from English. We just have one B in English, but in Spanish there are two. And how we use them, it's using a permanent situation. Like if you say I am boy, right? Am is there, so it's permanent. So it's going to be used ser. And if you say I'm happy, happy is emotion, so you use estar. So you're gonna learn this in future. Now we have haber. Haber is have, and again we have tener. Tener is also have. Haber and tener. So haber is used in present perfect situations, present perfect sentence, and tener is used in sentence like I have to go, I have to eat, I have balls, I have a cat, anything. Okay, we have deber. Deber means should or must. Deber. Parecer. Parecer. It is seem like he seems good, he seems bad. Parecer. Querer. Querer is want. Querer. We have poder. Poder, can. Poder. Saber. Saber is to know. Gustar. Gustar is like. I like this, I like that. Gustar. Encantar. Encantar, love. It's like I love to do this in that situation. Ir. Ir is go. Ir. Ir is go. Perfect. So these are the golden verbs.